Ever looked under your car's bonnet? It's like opening a treasure chest full of mystery, loads of parts, wires, and belts. It can feel overwhelming, right? Don't worry, I'm here to help. We're going on a journey. We'll explore the engine, the transmission, the electrical system, and even some secret compartments. Ready to become a car whisperer? Let's go! First up, the engine. It's the beating heart of your car. Like a hungry monster, it gobbles up fuel and air. Then, boom! It explodes, creating power. You've got your pistons, pumping up and down like weightlifters on a caffeine high. They're connected to the crankshaft, which spins like a merry-go-round. Then there's the cylinder head, the brain of the operation. It controls the valves, which are like tiny bouncers letting air and fuel in and exhaust out. Don't forget the spark plugs. They're the ones setting the whole explosion party off. Next, let's talk about the gearbox or transmission. This clever box is all about gears. They're like different sized cogs, all working together. The gearbox takes the engine's power and sends it to the wheels. It lets you change speeds, from a slow crawl in traffic to a high-speed blast on the open road. Automatic or manual, the gearbox is a marvel of engineering. It makes sure you're in the right gear at the right time. Now, onto the electrical system, the nervous system of your car. It's a complex web of wires, sensors, and computers. The battery is the heart of it all, storing electricity like a little power plant. The alternator keeps it charged up, so you don't get stranded. Then there's the starter motor, which gives your engine that initial kick to get going. And don't forget the lights, the radio, the air conditioning, all powered by electricity. Here's a fun fact. Many cars have secret compartments. They're like little hiding places, tucked away out of sight. Some cars have hidden storage bins under the floor mats or behind the dashboard. Others have secret compartments in the boot or even behind the rear seats. These compartments can be great for storing valuables, important documents, or even just a stash of sweets for those long journeys. Mechanics are like car doctors. They know everything about your car, inside and out. They can diagnose problems just by listening to the engine. Did you know that the world's fastest car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds? That's faster than a cheetah. And did you know that some luxury cars have massage seats, heated steering wheels, and even built-in champagne coolers? Talk about traveling in style. So there you have it, a glimpse under the bonnet of your car. From the mighty engine to the intricate electrical system, it's a symphony of engineering. Next time you get in your car, take a moment to appreciate the complexity and wonder of it all. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our never-ending desire to build amazing machines. And who knows, maybe one day, you'll be the one tinkering under the bonnet, unlocking the secrets of your own car.